Defensive player isa.
Match number 3, George Tigana of Uton, Blue Arbor, and Ivan Paul Masuray of Zaraga, Red Arbor. Proceed to the inspection area now. Match number 3A, Jose Hugon of Iloilo National High School, Blue Arbor, and Victor Regalo of Kaniway, Red Arbor. Proceed to the inspection area now. Match number 4, Steven Precioso of Pigne, Blue Arbor, and Nicole Estrada of 3rd District, Red Arbor. Proceed to the inspection area now.
Alfonso Medina of Santa Alfonso Medina Bato of Santa is reported now. Alfonso Medina, Alfonso
Diri sini.
of Santa Barbara,
Dali lang kita, dali lang. Yes, yes. No problem.
Last call for match A2. Jefferson Vance of Zaraga, Blue Arbor, and Vico Adrian Otana of 1NCK, Red Arbor. Proceed to the inspection area now.
Patas.
Patas?
Sudden death. Sudden death.
Last call for match A3. Angelo Ortega of Zaraga, Blue Arbor, and Sherwin Ignacio of Tuma, Red Arbor. Proceed to the inspection area